Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Brave, open the browser and make sure you're running a recent build. Once done, decide whether you want system-level DNS changes or Brave's built-in DNS over HTTPS. This matters because Brave can override system settings for privacy. You should also note the DoH provider name or custom DoH URL and any IP addresses. Make sure to save important tabs or bookmarks before adjusting network settings. The process is quick, but preparation prevents confusion if you need to. You'll navigate Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Security. Once there, toggle Use Secure DNS to On. This activates DoH inside Brave. Next, choose a provider from the drop-down for simplicity or select custom to paste a DoH template URL like https://example/DNS query. Brave accepts provider names and templates for precise control. After entering the provider or URL, make sure to apply or close settings. Brave saves changes immediately. You should verify the change by visiting a DNS leak test or a known domain that shows the resolver. This confirms Brave is using your selected DoH provider. If pages fail to load, toggle Use Secure DNS off and on to force a restart of the resolver. Make sure your DoH URL is correct. Also check for VPNs, firewalls, or enterprise network policies that may block DoH traffic. If problems persist, revert to system DNS and test stepwise to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.